Very masculine. Masculine. Masculine to make a babies. You laugh.
Nah. Daddy wants another baby. Guys, it is Thursday, 8 o'clock in the morning. Sobrang aga ni mami nyo. Kakatapos ko lang magpagawa ng aking lashes. Kung kita nyo sa camera, parang ang lighting dito sa sasakyan ay hindi maganda. But, ayan, fresh ang aking lashes, guys. Yung appointment ko kanina, 6 o'clock in the morning. Yes, super early. At I'm very happy na yung lash technician ko, she works like, you know, she starts really early para ma-accommodate yung mga tao na walang time magpagawa ng kanilang mga lashes during the day. You know, especially me, kasi alam niyo naman guys, Daddy Mike is working and I have the kids. So, yan lang yung time ko na makapagpa-lashes. So, umalis ako kaninang umaga, tulog pa yung mga kids, tulog pa si Daddy Mike. And, yeah, tarang, finish na ang ating lashes ngayon. So, pagkatapos ko guys doon, ay pumunta ako sa chemist. And, alam nyo ba na naghintay ako ng 1 minute sa labas kasi 8 o'clock sila mag-start. At, nagano ako, dumating ako doon 1 minute early. So, ako pa talaga yung first customer nila doon. So, pinamili ko na yung mga kailanganin natin for our trip to the Philippines. So, ayan, bumili ako ng European, you know, just in case lang naman guys. You'll never know yung mga kids, diba? Panamax for me and Daddy Mike. I've got this cream. Meron kaming ganito pero malaking tab. Kailangan namin ng maliit para sa bagahin namin for the Paris. And then this itchy cream, alam niyo naman na very sensitive ang skin ng ating Ate Paris. So we have this one for her. Kailangan kong bumili ng sunscreen. Kaya lang wala yung sunscreen na kailangan ni Ate Paris doon sa chemist na pinuntahan ko. So I have to go somewhere else. Nag-stop ako dito. Nandito ako sa harapan ng cafe kasi I'll just buy coffee before heading home. Gising na ang ating baby Celine. Nag-send na lang picture si Daddy Mike sa akin. Nagising na siya. So, ayan. Bili lang tayo ng coffee quickly and then we'll go home. So, ayan ang ating lashes. Kita ba, guys? Diba? Kasi dapat fresh tayo pag uwi natin ng Pinas. Fresh tayo pag uwi ng Pinas. So, I'm super happy na nagawa ko yung lashes ko. I've got the coffees, guys. Ayan, Daddy Mike ordered oat latte. Order ako ng hot chocolate for myself and then hot chocolate for Ate Paris. Nahihirapan ako. Nag-isip ako kung paano ko ito dadalhin. I can't. Love you. Let's go in. Let's go in. Come on. Come on. Good girl. Beautiful girl. I'm beautiful girl ni Mama. How are you, Ate? Sleep good? Did you sleep good? To the daddy shark. I love you, Lola. Mama, miss you, man. Have you been a good girl? La? Hindi matugka lang mama. Gawa tayo ng
I remember once. Oh, I remember once I was shaving, like, I think, and I remember I clipped.
What?
I remember like, I think I clean shaved. But I accidentally like did my sideburn a little bit. And that's the same day I went to the hairdresser.
Yeah.
He was like this. Another guy was coming here, but Kenny was like this, and he's like signaling to the other guy in the mirror, like, like to look at my sideburn. And he's like, hey, Juam. Did you say it? He goes, you didn't give yourself a bit of a haircut this morning, did you? And I was like, what do you mean? He goes, your sideburn. Did you cut that yourself? And I was like, yeah. He goes, it looks like it. And I was like, what's that supposed to mean? And he goes, well, you've done a shit job.
This one.
He's like, don't do it again.
Have a look at Daddy's haircut, guys. Nagpa-haircut siya kahapon. Oh, it looks really good.
When did you get
Hindi,
it?
gusto ko yung hindi, ba? It's not too short ba? No. Very, it suits Daddy my...
Very, masculine. Masculine. Masculine to make a babies. You laugh.
Nah. Daddy wants another baby. Do you like a brother or sister? Huh? Sister?
No boys?
Should we get a sister or a boy?
What do you think this one needs?
What shall we order? Order from Amazon. Come here lang, show her here, Daddy B. Have a look at our lady, ah. Bobo. Uminom ng hot chocolate ba? Tingnan niyo mukha. Look at the mirror! Ala! Balingit nga bata. Ate B, give that thing. Have some croissants. And they had yogurt. Did you give Celine yogurt this morning?
Celine, yeah.
I haven't had
No,
it.
okay.
And a little bit of bagel.
No.
Okay.
Celine had bagel because she's good bucket for those.
Right there.
No, you forgot to do that for us last night.
Yeah.
Then, do you want a baby or no?
Can you tell?
Maybe
Oh my
not.
goodness, iwan ko na lang kung anong gagawin namin guys kapag But, you know, the more the merrier. Pero yun na nga lang.
I know what the great name is.
Hey!
I know what the great name is.
What?
Oh.
Great name.
Paris.
Of course it is. It's your name, that's why it's great, isn't it? You're a silly girl.
You have two favorites.
You're a silly girl. Alam ko, marap talaga sa camera nag-toothbrush. Grabe naman si Kuya Alam niyo ba, kahapon, hindi ako nakapag-vlog. Pero binuksan ko ang aking alkansya. So, nag-ano talaga ako guys, dito sa bahay, meron talaga ako sisila ng mga gold coins. So, $2 and $1. Normally, $2 talaga yung kinikip ko. So, kahapon, inopen ko na kasi, di ba, uwi tayo ng Pinas. So, meron tayong pang-pocket money. And, tingnan niyo ang, kailangan ko pala itong dalhin sa bangko. What's wrong, anak? Tingnan niyo ang aking nalikom. Hindi ko alam kung gaano katagal ito siya ha. Kasi, lang naman to eh. Kapag meron akong kapag meron akong masukli, yung nilalagay ko sa sa aking alkansya. O, tingnan niyo. Alam niyo ba, umabot ito ng $640. $650 guys, yung aking coins. O, diba? So, dalhin natin siya sa bangko. Deposit natin. What's wrong, anak? Meron tayong pang snacks sa airport, diba? Pag may itinanim, merong aanihin. Ayan yun. Wow! Coins! Diba? Pa-coins lang ito, pero may worth ito. Diba? Ano ba ngayon ang...
How did you get all those money?
I saved them now. That's what you should do as well. Save. Okay?
So you can...
What's wrong, anak?
So you don't need to wait. So you don't need to...
Oh, come here. Come to mama.
Can mommy?
Come to mama. So, lagay lang natin, 600 times 30. Lagay natin ng 46. 12. 24. 24,000. 24,000. Ikaw lang? Ha? Malingit ang bata.
I'm so good to blue
One,
one just
two,
went to
three.
the end so quick.
One, two,
And
three.
now the red's gonna be so quick also.
Cuddle, mama. Big cuddle, mama.
So quick.
Cuddle.
Okay.
Like really cuddle. Big cuddle.
Really,
Come on,
really?
please. Big cuddle.
It takes
Cuddle.
Yeah, it's okay. It won't take us too long.
no. The blue one is more
Ang
clear.
ng baby. Ay, bulingit. Balag
This
bulingit.
one.
We're gonna play this together.
Ready na natin yung susutin. Excited lang si mami. Now, I just wanna make sure na nakalabas na yung mga susuotin ng mga bata. So, yung susuotin ni Ate Paris sa airport. Pagpunta namin ng Sydney this Saturday. So, yeah, hindi naman sa ano kasi excited, super excited kasi Friday na bukas. After bukas, wala na yung time na mag-ready. So, kinontak ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang friend na nag-work sa Virgin Australia na airline. Kasi nga, diba, yung aming bagahe, kailangan namin i-upgrade to 32 kilos yung dalawang luggages. Ngayon, kasi tinawagan ko yung kahapon, tinawagan ko yung Virgin Australia kahapon. Sabi nila, they can't do it over the phone. Kailangan namin gawin pagdating namin sa airport. Pag check-in namin. Kasi, even sa yung website nila, hindi pwede talagang mag-upgrade, guys. Kailangan mag-add ng bag na up to 20 or 23 kilos din. Pero hindi yung existing na bag na mag-add lang ng kilos. Hindi nila kayang gawin over the phone. Sabi nila lang daw. So, tinawagan ni Daddy Mike yung kanyang friend kasi nag-work na siya sa Virgin Australia. And yun yung sabi niya, as long as yung bagahe daw is 32 kilos, $50 ba? $50 extra each bag. Which is not bad, considering. Pero pag lumampas daw ng ng 32 kilos per item na daw ang babayaran. So I think ours is naman, we're safe naman na 32 kilos lang yung dalawang bagahe. 32 kilos each.
Who's 32 kilos for you and her?
Paris's. It's not really like Paris stuff, it's it's not Paris's stuff, it's the stuff that I'm taking to the Philippines.
So we're going to the Philippines. We're going to 64, 80.
But you gotta consider the luggages. They're already 5 kilos, but it's not that it's all 32. You know what I mean?
So we're bringing about 70 kilos of luggage, yeah?
I don't know, my math's my math's
Because I want to figure out.
not working. Basta yun na yun. Diba? Malapit nang mag 11 o'clock, nagnanap ang ating baby Celine. So, may time ako na pa kasi meron pa dito, guys. Isa pang basket dito na nilabhan. Kailangan kong pilian kung ano yung papasok pa yung mga underwear, anti-Paris. Ganun. Pilian po to. Ang ating witch ay nandyan na. Kumain na ng manggang witch.
Mom, when you're playing the game, like
Oh no.
Connect 4, I have to go first because I'm the youngest.
Oh, really?
If it's a game, if it's Connect 4, you have to do.
Is that how it works?
If it connects 4, you have to do it first.
Okay, because you're you're the youngest.
The youngest can go first.
Ah, okay, alright.
The youngest.
Cool ba ang rules ni Ate Paris eh? Nagpapaluto si Daddy Mike ng kanyang style. Tapos, gagawa tayo ng noodles. Ramen. Itong mangga. Last one. Last one. You can smell it. Maaamoy mo muna talaga na matamis siya.
Every single login over the past 2 months was from the exact same device and the exact same location.
Alam niyo ba, sobrang dami kong ganito. Yung ramen. Ewan ko kung kita niyo dyan. Kita ba? Ano yung pa sa likod? Padala yan galing Korea. Kapag may binibili ako sa Korea,
So yeah, I don't know why.
nilalagyan nila ng libre. Ganyan. What is wrong? What is wrong?
Yep.
Oh, bless you. You okay? You okay? Oh, shush!
Yeah.
Come to mama. Come, mama. Look. Say hi, guys. Hello, guys.
Yeah, of course. Yeah.
Hey, my baby guys. You want some steak? You'll share with Daddy, okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Be careful. After nito, lalabas tayo, guys. May pipick upin tayo dito lang, malapit lang naman sa amin. So, may binili akong fern. Pasalubong ba sa Pinas? So, ano na? Last minute. May binili na naman ako isa. Pero gusto kong dagdagan. Para pasalubong ko ba sa family ko. You want some now? You can eat the whole thing.
And if you've got malware on your computer, what it doesn't
No.
the scam to do is basically
Gift mama?
mirror.
No?
Mirror.
No?
Maybe intercept emails.
Ay, good. Thanks, mama. Yes, dangerous anak man, no? Kakaroon. Kinakain niyang whole, grapes ba ganyan, oh? Dangerous anak. I'll call it for you. Look. Show tita. Show it. Show. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap. If you're happy and you know it. Yeah. Ay, bukal-bukal na ang tubig na. Ay! Are you kissing your bam-bam? Let us go! Let us go! Hindi na makapaghintay. Let us go! Anak, careful lang! Careful ba? Take her shoes lang. Asu! Take her shoes lang or what? Take this one. Okay, we're going. Can you carry this one? That's for landing. Okay. Mama will carry you.
I'm going in the car.
Where are you going?
No.
Over there. Okay, carry mama. 1, 2, 3, go. Malaki na yung mga anak ko, guys. So, kasi sila na yung umaakit sa sasakyan.
Here.
Ito isa.
This is
Alala.
my collection.
Miss Independent. Gusto niya siya yung
Tiny, pointy shells.
Akyat.
Look at this thing.
You still need mama's help.
This is in my collection. This is in my collection. Hey, hey.
1, 2, 3, go. Hi again, people. It's now 2:22 ng hapon. Pakita ko sa inyo yung na-pick up natin na fern. Ayan. So, meron pa siyang box, pabongga. So, second hand to siya, guys. So, I already purchased 2 ferns. Pangatlo na to siya. So, pang regalo sa Pinas pa. It doesn't have to be brand new, guys. Kung yung family ko naman, they're very happy with whatever na ibigay ko sa kanila. And even though hindi siya brand new, guys, may presyo pa din naman siya. So, hindi natin kaya na tatlo-tatlo yung bilhin natin tapos brand new, diba? So, okay, and like, it's working, it's fun, there's no problem with them. Then yung may mga box pa. And also, sa, ano pala to siya, sa Facebook Marketplace, so there's no, ano, ang tawag dito? Like, it's not broken or anything. Ayan. Oh. So, this particular one, this is the iPhone 6 Plus.
Can I see?
The 16 gigabyte.
I look on the front. Oh my, that's so cute.
Yeah. So, ayan. So, na factory reset na and everything. So, it's, the phone is ready to go. Kailangan lang lagyan ng SIM card. Yeah. So, yeah, yan na yan, guys. Yung, ano, meron pa pala siyang, may, ano pa, ang tawag dito? Earphone. Ala, bongga naman to. Gamitan ko to. Wala ata akong earphone eh. Hala, ginamit pa talaga.
I'm stuck. I was really stuck. Wait! Stop!
Ay, careful lang. Oh.
My brain's kicking me.
Original talaga siya na Apple.
Oh.
Kasi may ano talaga siya. May detection siya, no? So, it'll be nice. So, I got one for my kuya. Yung phone ko na, yung old phone ko is for my sister. Tapos, yung isa is for my baby brother. And then, isa para sa papa ko. Kasi yung mama ko, may phone pa naman. Tapos, yun siguro yung old phone ng sister ko, give to my, my nephew. We'll see how it goes. Yeah, I'm happy with that. Sabi niya, if there's any issues, ibalik mo sa akin. And sabi, paano pagbalik kung may issues? Uy, nakarating na ng Pilipinas. So, yeah, but we'll see how it goes. Pagdating namin ng Pinas, I know his address. So, ayan. So, we'll keep this here. We're at the park. Diyan kami pupunta. It's overcast today. Mainit siya pero walang araw. Where are you going?
I said hi to her.
Oh, that's good, my love. You're not playing with the water.
Yeah.
Come on. Hold her neck. Hold her neck. On the other side. There you go. Other hand lang. Going to the park. Our girls will make friends. Go hold her, ate. Go hold ate.
This is actually a roly-poly.
Is it?
Yeah, it's a roly-poly.
Oh, my love.
Ma, this is a roly-poly.
Roly-poly.
Ma, do you know when roly-poly gets scared and turn into a ball?
No. Where are you going, Ling?
This way.
Baba!
This way.
Si lady! Akala niya makakapasok ko siya doon. This way!
This way.
The door is here lang. This way. Takig shortcut. Ha? High speed kasi may ibang mga kids. Good girl. Yeah? Do you wanna swing? Wow, swing, swing. Swing, swing. You wanna go? Yeah? Yeah? Yes? Okay, come. Do you wanna do it yourself? Ayaw niyang umupo sa aking lap. Do you wanna sit on your right? Rock-a-bye-bye on the treetop. Oh, wow. What's wrong? Love it? Hold on. Hey, you have to hold on, my love. You gotta hold on. Tea. Tea. Natin ang Paris. Tea. Yeah, nakahanap ng kalaro sa Ate Paris lang. Whoop. Oh, bless you. Oh. What's happened? Because you're silly. Naglaro doon sa sandpit. Ay, humiga. Humiga na. Okay, jump. Wow, good girl. Where else you wanna go? Here. How about here? Lini. Maglahig kasi yung bangag ko eh. Lini, that's not yours. Don't touch it. Lini. Lini. Shh. No. That's not yours. Say, no. Ang batang ito eh. Where are you off to now? Have a look at this, Ling. Look! Ayaw talaga makinig ah.
A few moments later.
What are you doing, Lang?
These are
Hey.
decorations you can use for.
Oh, we have that at home, honey.
No, but I want to buy another one.
No, you don't need to buy another one. We have it at home, okay? We'll go get some cupcake. Come on.
Can we get one?
Gusto niyang bumili ng ano na ito ba? Kami ang mag-bake. But we are leaving soon, so...
Mom, can we get one?
Not really, honey, because we won't be able to eat it and it will just go to waste because we are leaving in 2 days. Yeah? Okay. Oh, try this one. How about that? Sprinkles. That's cheaper. And it's not a lot. Yeah?
Hey, Mom, which one?
Up to you. Ooh.
Let me see this one.
Oh, we got some meat for dinner. Fruit. Ay, ko siya laga ka. Naman yung ano, wak-wak
We
na.
got free one.
Okay, you have to choose among the 3. I think this one.
Yeah, that one I want.
You reckon?
Yeah, I think that'll be
Oh
good.
no, just grab the other one. That one is $3. See? Just get the one that's $2 and this one. Up to you. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll go get the
I need
already made
the
top
plastic.